Hello world! This is it, as we are all waiting for a glimpse of the wedding photos of Dua Lipa and Callum Turner. Dua Lipa chose Chanel Haute Couture, designed by Matthew Blasi. The costume creation featured a fully embroidered cathedral-length veil and a dramatic feather-covered trail, showcasing the exceptional craftsmanship of the French maison. A bridal look that balanced modern glamour with couture artistry worth of one of the world's most influential pop star. The result of the close relationship between Dua and Chanel and brought to life thanks to an exceptional savoir faire. Dua Haute Couture wedding dress has been handcrafted in the ateliers at 31 Rue Cambon. For this unique design, Maison d'Art Ateliers Montex Lemery and Lesage also contributed to the making of the dress through the creation of intricate embellishments to complete the look. White satin pumps were custom made by Masor. Congratulations again to the couple. Credit to the owner of the photos and videos. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.